Okay, guys, good afternoon. So today we're gonna do the quick review of this Amazon portable fan. It's like a 4-inch fan. They put us at 5 inches, but the blades are actually 4 inches. So I have battery built in. So here we go. You can see I have a lithium ion built-in battery. You can power out with a USB, a part of the charging. Says the strong wind, 3D curved blades. I don't know what I mean with that. They have 3 speeds and low noise. This particular case is the blue one. So it's a 5 volts 1 amp, so it's like a 5-watt consumption. So it comes the fan and the charger. So let's see what we have here. So first of all, the box is just pretty decent box. White box with a picture of the fan. Not terrible. So now open it up. We have a USB to micro USB cable for charging. Then the next thing that we have is our fan, and then we have like a little manual here. So I'll make this quick. In the manual, tell you again the same, all the specification, how much weight, instructions, and some notes. So let's put this in the side for right now. So let's go to the front. So the back. Alright, so the fan, as you can see, is pretty neat. Doesn't look cheap, to be honest with you guys. Doesn't look cheap. Like the housing, the plastic housing is pretty well put together, I have to say. Has couple rubber feet here, I assume, for the vibration. Couple rubber feet for the vibration. So supposed to be able to shoot 360 degrees, which is good. Well, I just powered it on. Okay. So this is specification on the back of the motor. So now in the front, then you have just some label there. As I was telling you, the fan, they said that's 5 inches, but I will assume that they refer to the 5 inches, the whole thing. But really, the blades is not that big. So let's see. Yeah, 5 inches around. The blades are actually more like a 3.5 inches, probably. Thick is 2.5 inches around there. So now in the back we have the charging port, micro USB, and the push button to the 3 speeds and turn on and off. So you can see that's the first speed, second speed, third speed, and power down. So now I'm gonna take this piece of paper with the couple stuff. I'm gonna put it there with a piece of so quick. Let's see how much really good wind this will make, so you guys can take an idea. Okay, here we go. So first speed, that's what you get. Second speed, a little bit more air. And third speed, more air. It's pretty quiet. I don't know if you guys can hear, but it's pretty quiet. That's the maximum speed. As you can see, blows good air. I told you it was blowing the good air. Well, it feels good. You direction to you, it feels good air. Like it can keep you a little bit ventilated. A little for sleep in the tents when you're camping outside. keeping the mosquitoes a little bit out of you and other bugs maybe. So now I'm gonna try it out with the power bank. They said that you can energize it using a power bank. I assuming that the power bank charges the internal battery and that extends your battery life. I assuming. So let's see what we get here. My power bank. Let's plug it in. The light, as soon as you plug in the power bank, the light indicates like it's charging. Let's see. Okay, the power bank turn on, indicating that it's being used. And you can see the lights of the power bank. So the website says that with the lowest speed can last like maybe like I think it's like 4 or 5 hours. They say, I don't know yet. I'm gonna have to test it out, fully charge it and put it to drain to see how long it lasts. When you put it with a external power bank, I assuming they're gonna last even longer. That's at least how I plan to use it, with a power bank, so I can get all night the fan running. So I tried it out and see what happened, guys. One thing that I've been noticed is that it's annoying, the power button here, because anytime that you plugging in the USB or whatever, I don't know if you got noticed that you're actually pushing the button. That's one thing that I believe, at least for my taste, it's a little bit annoying. So okay guys, I'm gonna do a second video where as usual I do with all this stuff. I'm gonna take it apart. We're gonna take a look inside, see what we got inside him. Okay, so alright guys, subscribe, hit the like button, and if you have any questions, just hit me in the message. Okay guys, have a good day. Bye bye.